What's up, guys? Today we're making a cilantro salad. Now, when I say cilantro salad, I mean that the entire bunch of cilantro is going to be used instead of the lettuce in this salad. Now, I get it. If you're a cilantro hater, that's actually a genetic thing. It's science. So you might want to skip over this recipe. But if you love cilantro like I do, I think you're going to love this salad. It tastes like the inside of a fresh rice paper roll that you get at some Thai or Vietnamese restaurants. And I'm even adding some basil today to give it an extra herby flavor. It's super simple to make. It's just a few ingredients, grated, chopped up, and it's so freaking good. If you're one of those people that uses cilantro as a garnish and then the rest of the bunch goes bad, I highly recommend you give this salad a try. The cilantro basically replaces the greens or is the greens in this salad. And the smell in here is just dizzying from the cilantro and the basil. So in here, I've grated 2 small carrots, and then I've thinly sliced some cucumbers, red onion, and celery. And then the greens in this salad are, like I said, basil and a huge bunch of cilantro that I've just chopped up and added into here. Now I've dressed this salad with some lime juice, salt. I've used herb sea salt, but you can use regular salt, a little drizzle of maple syrup, a little bit of sesame oil, and some avocado oil. And then you just mix it all up, and you get this beautiful, vibrantly green, beautifully aromatic salad that goes with pretty much anything, and actually holds up not too terribly the next day in the fridge if you have leftovers. I really recommend that you guys give this a try. It's so freaking good. With some lime juice, I'm also, no, I don't like that. Okay. I highly recommend you give this a try.